Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're going to see a prime example of Jessica's procrastination blowing up in her own face. So I have waited until the last possible minute to start packing, and that is today, because tomorrow, I literally move into my apartment, and to say that I am unprepared is the biggest understatement of the year. So I'm not gonna lie, I don't have a list or anything. Wow, I am so unprepared. This is so unlike me. The last 2 years I moved into college, I was packing in advance. I had a list, I knew what I was, I just had a plan, and this time I just don't care. So here we are. I guess I'll start off with clothes. I don't know. What does one pack for college? I guess I'm just gonna start with the clothes. This should be fun. I literally don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna pack in seasons. I'll just switch out my closet when the season changes. So yeah, summer and fall things are what I'm gonna pack right now. Clothes here, a whole bag of clothes here, and then I remembered, hi Oscar, I remembered that I'm in the midst of doing laundry, so gotta get these out and probably pack them as well. Oh man, why did I do this? Totally listening to Disney, Hannah Montana, High School Musical. I'm loving it, to be honest. It's such a throwback. So far I have all of these clothes, still some in the washer, but I'll get to those later. Now I'm gonna move on to jeans and shorts and things. So yeah, I'm gonna just put them in a laundry bag, since I obviously can't hang them on hangers like those. But yeah, we have leggings, yoga pants, stuff like that. So fun. We've got Hannah Montana.
And if I was wrong, would you correct me? And if I make mistakes, would you forgive me? And if I lost myself from you, will you stay or leave? Stay or leave? Stay or leave?
Okay guys, I took a very long break. I got lunch, uploaded a video, and now I've lost my fire. I'm so tired. I could lay here and take a nap, but I can't. I'm gonna put on some more music, probably Disney again, and try to get this done.
I don't know about me. I want you is where you are. You make my life break. If I'm down with you, say I'm down with gifts. I'll be there whenever you need me. Will you be there for me?
Okay, so I have these two bin things packed full. I'm pretty sure this is all of the stuff. I don't know. There will probably be more, but right now I need to pack my makeup, which I'm very sad about because I love my vanity and I just love how everything is all in one place. It's very nice, and now I have to separate it all, and it's just, my makeup doesn't like being separated, okay? I'm going to put it in some sort of organizer, tape the drawers shut, and yeah, pack my brushes. Oh my gosh, I don't want to. Basically, this is what I use for my makeup. Not near as fun and fresh as my vanity, but it's what we gotta work with. So I'm gonna wipe out these drawers and try to decide what I want to bring to college. So wish me luck. Oscar, I wish I was you. Okay, so I got my makeup done. All I need to do is tape these shut so they don't open and everything falls out when we're moving. But this is skincare. This is all of my mascara and eyeliner, eyebrows, 2 single eyeshadows, that's it. And I'm bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lip products. For comparison, these are my lip products now. These 2 containers. So that's not very much, but oh well. I could totally bring more, but I just know I don't get that ready at school. So this is foundation, face stuff, concealer, and then this is the only palettes I'm bringing. I'm bringing my Nikki Tutorials palette, my Naked Face palette, and then a Tarte palette, and then all of my brushes are in here. I literally fit all of them that I need in there, and I'm leaving all of these here in my cute little container and everything. I guess you could say I'm just taking the essentials. I don't know. I'm legitimately sad over this. Like, I was so happy to get all of this like together and organized, and now I gotta take it to school. Made some progress. I have pajama pants here, a whole bunch of t-shirts that I just wear as pajamas, and then I have just tank tops here and socks, and I found my laundry bag, which I'm gonna put all of this in. And there was one more thing. I was like, okay, I'm forgetting something big, but I don't know what it is. Shoes. I literally almost forgot about my shoes. So this should be fun. I don't know how much room I have in my apartment if I need to bring this. Oscar is being my best friend. You're a good boy. Yes, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Oh my gosh, I don't want to leave him. How am I supposed to leave you? My room is an absolute catastrophe, but you know, it's fine. Everything is fine. We are doing dandy.
Hard not to sleep. Your shadows like to watch me.
Here are the shoes I think I'm gonna bring. Again, I'm packing in season, so once the weather starts to change and it is sadly too cold to wear sandals, I'll like bring these back and like switch them out for boots and stuff like that. I'm trying to think of what else I need. It's kind of a struggle right now because I don't know what I'm doing. Don't have a list. I should have made a list, but here we are. This is such a disaster. Can it be summer yet? Hey guys, oh gosh, sorry if the audio's bad. I came outside for a minute and the fountain's right there. It's kind of loud, so hopefully you can hear me. I literally don't know what else to do. Like, I feel like I've packed everything. I don't know what else to bring. I'm just really tired. I'm trying so hard. Like, I know I haven't been in this vlog, but I'm trying to be positive. Cue the clips of me earlier literally being the most negative person ever. Can it be summer yet? But since then, I have listened to a Katie Bellotti podcast, and it has inspired me to not be so negative. I forgot to show you guys that I had already put like a few decor pieces that I was going to take from my room in a box. And like I just grabbed my pillow and I have my bedding in this box, and I have a couple more things that like I've ordered from Amazon that I'm just gonna wait to open. And I just filled this box with like books I'm gonna bring. These two totes were from my dorm that I literally never even unpacked because they were just all dorm stuff and like dorm decor, so I'm just using the same things to decorate my apartment and my room in my apartment. I have like obviously school supplies and some random like cups and bowls and stuff. Hi Mom.
Hi. Another package for you.
Oh great. Oh yes, my merch. My Colby Brock merch. Look. What a glorious day. Wow, you guys just saw that live on camera. Me, how freaking happy I get when I get my merch. Let's open it. Guys, look at my merch. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm so glad I got it. This was only available in their LA pop-up shop, but they had a few extras on their app. Yeah, that's how much of an obsessed like fangirl I am. But, oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so good. I love the yellow. Okay. Wow, A+. Okay guys, it's much later. It's like 10 p.m. So I realized I never really wrapped this up. So let me show you what we're working with. So I have all of these clothes plus a trash bag full on the bottom that I need to get ready. And then I have a bag full of clothes here. Those are my shoes. I have like, I don't know, random stuff like shampoo, conditioner, some scrunchies, and then I have my sheets, makeup, hair products. That's my backpack, which I need to remember. I'm actually gonna keep like these pillows here, which I'm kind of happy about because they look really cute with my room. Honestly, honestly, that's everything. I thought I was gonna have like more stuff, and I'm sure I'm forgetting a lot of things because as the title of the video says, I did this all in one day. So I am gonna be vlogging move-in day and everything, so make sure to subscribe. That video should be the next one coming out. I think that's all I have to say. I'm like, have mixed emotions right now for sure, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here in the mirror and everything. So thank you for watching. I know this was all over the place, but hope you enjoyed me struggling, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye guys.
Lying alone, trying hard not to sleep. Your shadows like to